PointStudio 2021.1 brings exciting improvements to inter-amp compliance, developed in response to customer requests, along with significant performance and stability enhancements. Run conformance against design, create ideal toe and crest strings, and specify locations of collapsed sections spatially in the bench width and slope angle reporting tool to easily compare mine as-built geometry against your defined geotechnical parameters. The latest version of the point cloud processing and analysis package supports Maptek R3 mkII laser scanners, including the new dual window XR3D. Unwrap curve lines to 2D and colour by grade to clearly and easily display elevation and grade. The scanline tool now features rock quality designation calculation, letting you quickly analyse and report on RQD. Robust workflow functionality streamlines daily survey tasks. PointStudio helps you see and understand your mine better, both open pit and underground. Get in touch today to find out more.